April the 9th, 5 a day. So solve this equation. Because we only have one fraction, we don't need to find a common denominator. We can just move the 3 away to start with. So we end up with 3x plus 2 over x minus 1 equals 4, take away 3. So we find that 3x plus 2 over x minus 1 equals 1. This whole division can go up there and multiply, so we end up with 3x plus 2 is equal to 1 lot of x minus 1, which will be x minus 1, and then we can collect the x's on one side, the numbers on the other side. So the x is going to go across to there, and the 2 will go over there, so we'll end up with 3x minus x is equal to minus 1 minus 2, so minus 4x is equal to minus 3, so then x will be equal to minus 3 divided by minus 4, and a negative divided by another negative will be a positive, so that is 3/4. Solve the following equation. Quadratic, so we need to look for two numbers that add and two numbers that multiply. They need to add to make 1 and they need to multiply to make 30. The numbers we want are 5 and 6. If we need to end up positive and have a negative, we're going to have to have minus 5 and plus 6. So the two brackets will be y in this case even, y minus 5 and y plus 6 equal to 0. So either y minus 5 equals 0 and y equals 5, or y plus 6 equals 0 and y equals minus 6. Find y trigonometry, because we have a right angle triangle and an angle. This is going to be the opposite. This down here will be the adjacent and that will be the hypotenuse. We know nothing about the opposite or need to, so we have a and h, which is cos. So cos 60 is equal to 10 divided by y. Swap the cos 60 and y over, so we get y is equal to 10 divided by cos 60. So y equals 20. So y is 20 centimeters. Factorize the following. Again, need to recognize this as difference of two squares because every element is a square. So we're going to have two brackets, square root each part. We know it's going to be a plus and a minus. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of y squared is y. Square root of 49 is 7. And the square root of w squared is w. So a sector has side length 4 centimeters. The area of the sector is 10 centimeters squared. What is the size of the angle which describes the sector? So I'm going to use this box as well. So we're going to have some sort of sector. We're looking for theta. We know that the area is 10 centimeters squared, and we know that the radius is 4. So we are going to use theta divided by 360 times by pi r squared is equal to area. Now we're looking for theta. We know r is 4, so this is times 4 squared equals, and we know it equals 10. So we can say theta divided by 360 times by, we can work this out because this is just a number. So that as a number comes out as 50.26 is equal to 10. This is multiplying here, so it will divide over there. So theta divided by 360 is equal to 10 divided by 50.26. So theta divided by 360 is equal to 0.2, and then we're going to take 360 up and multiply, so theta is equal to 0.2 times 360, so the angle will be 72 degrees.